A lot of fun. Okay, what are we doing now? A mini lathe modified by me. Oh, yeah. So we're trying to drill a hole here. Okay. That's a lazy wheel. How are you? Good boy. Gonna lay down by here or what? Velcro dog. Cute little guy. So, what are we doing? Drilling a hole. Shooting these right. Making those. And tomorrow, I'll flip it around this way, machine it, and here. Making two of them because I'm having fun. Right? Right. I'll clean all this up. Oh well. Hello, little fella. About an inch inside. Oh, let's see. Drill bit size under 1/4 of an inch so I can tap it properly. Right? Right. That's a 1/4 of a horse. 1/4 of a horse, a 1/3 of a horse. It works great, better than electronic garbage. The belts always go and that kind of thing. So this is a nice. When did I get this? About 2000 time frame. Busy Bee Machine Tools in Canada. So we're just drilling a hole here. How far are we in here? I gotta go a little bit more. Tighten this up. Go for it, right? Hello. Back out a little bit. Back up a little more. Oh. He's the project manager, so I'm getting there. I'm gonna take a bath. Finish off tomorrow the end part. Out, double check going in. Yeah, I'm going to go down a little more. Double check. Oh, pretty deep. Okay. That's it. Okay. Awesome. Yep. Yeah, 2000, it's done a lot of work in this little lathe. No problems with it. Working fine. Got the gears for it, back gears, threading, and everything else on it done. This is a wood lathe over here. I modified to be a metal lathe. Okay. Why? I don't know, because I got so many lathes. Anyway, like right here, he's cool. And other ones, as you know. But anyway, I'm making these pieces. Then on the mini lathe, I replace the other jaws, so it grabs this part here. Then I just trim this down and polish it down. And tap the holes. Oh, John, you're going to tap the holes. Yeah, so he's done there. Going back. All right. There we go. I'm not going to take a bath. What's up, BBO? Running up. Well, vacuum cleaner. I guess I'll use them tomorrow. About 3:15. Get a bath in, clean up. Oh my goodness. Finish off tomorrow morning the end parts of these guys. Be fantastic. Woohoo. Off to the races, right? Okay. Nothing like a vacuum cleaner. Because I clean up all the machine tools after I use them. Oil them. Take good care of them, right? So we got quite a little pile of goodies here. I had this in the apartment laboratory. Used a lot. That's another one I had too. Had green garbage bag and take down all these kind of shavings to the dumpster down in the basement of the apartment. So I don't know what else to do with it. Maybe I'll save it. I don't know. Oh, that's done. How's our motor? Is it warm? Yeah, he's warm. Because I've been going hours, not too bad with this thing. Really taking good heavy cuts. Oh, wow. That's fun. Okay, gonna go Evil. Gotta get going here. Shavings off myself. Now in the bigger lathes, I use a little hook, a wooden piece, and pull out the chunks because it really cuts deep. Especially the big lathes, it's like, wow. Big springs. I got videos of me running the big lathe with brass and other things. Okay, I guess we'll turn the light off, EVO. Let things settle, and I've got to take a bath. Not you, I am. But you like baths. Have I got any shavings on my socks at all? No, oh well. I don't think so. Brush them off my chops here. The other places. Well, some on the arms. Okay, it's okay. Okay. 2,000. Sure, using a lot in the apartment lab anyway. I'm using a lot here too once in a while. Put this over here. Plug everything. Okay, we're ready to move. Here we go. Want to say hi to your fan club? What? What's over there? The radio, okay. I'll go run my bath. I know I'm gonna move. You're not up for a bath, but I am. Maybe. Sure, no. Not tracking any shavings around. They do tend to get around a little bit. Okay, so I'll finish off tomorrow. Another new arrival today. Let's read that tonight a little bit for fun. Okay, here we go.